Hello editing managers, welcome to figdatabase.com. I'm Rigo. You guys know me as Rigo007 on the community. So today I'm going to show you a little quick tutorial on what you could do behind the scenes or the back end of this website. So as a manager and a volunteer for figdatabase.com, you could do just about anything on here. So let's say you go to a variety that you want to check, or a variety that has some content that you don't like, or you want to make a change over here or something like that. So what you could do is every single variety on this website has a edit button up here on the top left corner. When you click on this, you could basically select any of the information that's on the front end, and you could actually just change it. So you could select on code hardiness if you believe that the information that's on the front end is wrong. You can make any changes from back here. You can also add external links to other informative websites that have something to do about this specific and particular variety. You can also write a description and change that so it could show up on the front end. Once a description is written though on this section, you really cannot add an extra one. So there's two types of descriptions that'll be on the front end. So the description that you could add is going to show up right here on the top. Any other description that shows up on the bottom is going to be highlighted, because that will be only for people contributing, which that is the job of the submission managers to control using this site right here. You also can go and check these sections out, and you're gonna have access to the other tutorial video, which is for the submission managers. But you guys, as the editing managers who control a lot more sections of this website, you are also gonna have access to this section, and you can watch that video so you learn how to do that. So from here, basically when you click on edit, you could edit anything from here. If you do change an image from this section right here, on this one image that you can submit, is going to change the main image that's on the front end that shows in the directory for all the varieties. The type of picture I would like over here is always a really close-up picture of the fruit when it is open, and that is it. Any changes you make over here, they're going to be changed on the front end. So again, thank you very much for volunteering to run this website. We really appreciate it over here. I guess I'll see you guys next time.